morning.
Good.
Chris, where are you going today? Gym. Do you want to do your relaxation now? Let's go.
My name is Melissa. I love coming to PALS and I enjoy spending time with my friends at PALS. Oh, start.
Good, yes.
It's me. It's me.
Match blanket.
Alright, we're headed to the gym next. Yeah. What's that? Whoa! Merrily, 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 merrily. Like the butter. Dream. You are right, my friend. You look good. Oh, look good.
There's things inside.
Things inside.
Yeah, there's 10.
Paintbrush.
Paintbrush. You've got a paintbrush. Very good. Show me painting. Nice job.
Brush the outer surface using circular motion.
And up and down.
Some chocolate for you.
Okay, guys.
A9.
Good right, Andy.
You can say
I figured so.
Mata.
Whoa! Wow, so good!
Charlie says he's good at word searches, and I agree. He's really, really fast at word searches. Dada, what's your answer?
Social enterprise.
Social enterprise? Nice.